Hi, in this lesson I will show you the solution of the first exercise of the course, which is concluding the first day of learning. It is very important that you will try to solve this exercise by yourself and only then look at my solution, because really practice and trying is very important in programming. Okay, so let's analyze the exercise. We need to ask some information from the user. We need to get the name, but since we didn't discuss string yet and we currently know how to work only with chars, we will just get the first letters of the name and of the family name divided by dot. And then we will request the user's date of birth. This part will be actually the collecting of information, and then we will move to the displaying part of the program. We will welcome the user using his name, and we will display the date, but we will make a little manipulation. We will replace the order of the days and the month. Okay, not so complicated. Let's go to the solution that I made, and I will explain you how I did it. First of all, let's run the program so you will see the final result. Okay, we are asked for the first. I have an extra S here. Okay, anyway, the first letters of the first and the last name separated by dot. So let's enter Alex Flom. Okay, now we need to enter the date of birth in the following format. Okay, let's just enter a date, for example, the 1st to the 5th, 82. Okay, let's hit enter. And here is our result. Hello, Alex Flom. Okay, great. And the date of birth, we can see that the order of the days and the month was changed. And that's basically the program. So let's hit enter and explain my solution. First of all, I added some comments to our program. If you want to add a single line comment, you can use this double slash. But if you want to use a block of comments, multi-lines of comments, you should really use this form. Okay, so I added a comment here for the variables, and I'm explaining using those comments, explaining the usage of those variables. It is important because if you will look at the program after some time, you will be able to easily understand how it works. So it is important to write comments. Okay, this is the collecting information part, and I have a comment here, and I'm displaying some message with this extra S, and I have a line break here. Then I'm collecting some values to our first name and last name variables, which were declared here and here. And it is very important not forget this sign, because otherwise the value will not be assigned into the variable. And pay attention to this dot here between the placeholders. Of course, I'm using the placeholders with the C letter because we are storing chars. Okay, our variables are char type. Okay, great. Then I'm having another message. I'm asking the user to enter a date, and I'm also giving him directions about the format of this date. A line break here, and then I'm just using the D placeholders because those are integers, and I have those slashes between the placeholders because this is the way I want the visitor to enter his date. And of course I'm not forgetting those signs. And basically this is the collecting of the information. And now we can display the information. So let's go down and analyze those lines. Okay, here I just have some kind of line and a line break at the end. Then I am actually welcoming the user. I'm writing hello, and then I am displaying the first name and last name, which were collected here using the scanf function. And between those variables I have this dot. Okay, later I'm displaying the date. I have the placeholders here for my integers, but pay attention that here and here the order is different because I really asked you to change the order of the days and the month. So something like this. Okay, great. This program is not so difficult, but it is very important that you will do it by yourself on your computer, and only then make a break and tomorrow move to the next part of this course. If you have any questions so far, you are welcome to contact me. There are contact information opportunities on my website. I will be happy to answer your questions. Feel free to contact me. And let's join again at the next lessons. Bye bye.